This vegetable stir fry is a must try and is perfect for breakfast, especially when you want to eat healthy. Hello Crystal Stars, welcome back to my space. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and always come back for more. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm sending love your way. I used to eating boring breakfasts. Try the vegetable stir fry, you will never go back, and it keeps you full for a long time. It's perfect for breakfast, especially if you're trying to eat healthy. One thing I love about it is how filling it is. Whenever I don't feel like eating a regular salad, I make this. So for this recipe, I'm using the green cabbage. If you have the purple, you can also mix it. So I went ahead to shred my cabbage, after which I shredded some bell peppers, and after that I also shredded my carrots and my spring onions. So this is me scraping my carrot, and so this is what we'll be using to prepare it. So let's get started. Don't forget to drop a comment, like and share this video. Thank you. In a pan, you add a little vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, and then toss in your onions and your spring onions. Just stir that a little, not so much, and then you go ahead to add your cabbage, and your carrot goes in just immediately, and then you stir that a little. So feel free to adjust the seasoning. I did not really use so much. I just use seasoning cube and dark soy sauce. It's completely optional if you don't have it. Just adjust it, little season. I needed my little spicy, so I added spice. So you added pepper to it, so it's going to be a little spicy. And after this, you add your bell peppers, and then you turn off the heat. Now let me ask you, have you eaten egg that slept in your stew overnight? Like, have you tested egg that stayed in your stew overnight? Oh my word, if you've not tested it, please go and try it. Now your healthy vegetable stir fry is ready. Serve and enjoy. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, share this video, and always come back for more. Bye guys.